Nagaur, UKG.
Good morning. Fresh fruits, all kinds. Come, see the quality.
Good morning. How much for you watermelons?
Those are 100 rupees each. Very sweet and juicy.
100 rupees. That's so big, too much. Can you do 70?
Oh no, madam. The price is already very reasonable. I got this fresh this morning.
Please, I am regular customer. How about 80?
Okay. For you, I will make it 80 rupees. Don't tell to anyone.
Thank you. I will take one. And do you have any pineapples?
Yes, we have nice pineapple. Those are 120 rupees each.
I will take one of those as well.
Excellent choice. Let me pack them for you.
Thank you.
My Ibrahim Junaidi from UKG. Fresh fruits, all natural and healthy. The man great your vitamins.
Hello dear, I am looking for fruits that are high in vitamin C.
Health confidence, costumer. We have excellent oranges and sweet light. And they are packed with vitamin C.
Wonderful. How much are the oranges?
Those are 100 rupees per dozen.
And sweet ones?
Those are 80 rupees per dozen.
I will take a dozen of each.
Great choice. We pack for you.